In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple exercise to activate your lower traps so you can improve your shoulder blade control, improve your shoulder mobility, and improve your posture. Hey everybody, it's Matt Hsu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos to help you with your shoulders. And if you want some exclusive shoulder tips, be sure to check out the description box for our shoulder tips video series so you can do stuff like hanging from a bar so that you can play with your kids or go do something fun that you thought was impossible before. This exercise is called the lower trapezius pipe raise. This is an effective way to activate the muscle fibers of the lower traps, which will help you stabilize your shoulder blades and improve your posture. To do this exercise, you just need a bench or a chair or a couch or something that you can lean your head against so that your neck muscles stay out of this. You are gonna sit in front of that bench so that your butt is towards your heels. If you can sit your butt on your heels, great. If you can't, just get close. The reason we do this is to keep the lower back flat. We don't want your lower back going into an arch when you do this. That's a very common compensation. So we keep the back flat while you do this exercise. You grab onto the pipe around a shoulder width distance apart with your hands, and then you lift using the shoulder blade musculature and then some of your deltoid muscles. So you can do this exercise with quick repetitions, you can do this with slow repetitions, and you can do this with very, very slow repetitions where you just hold the pipe in position for 10, 20, 30 seconds, even a minute or longer as you get better and better at this. When you first start doing this, you may want to do this with shorter repetitions, just practice lifting. And once you feel like you can do that, then start trying to hold a little bit longer and get those muscles to build up their endurance. You can also experiment with the width of your hands. You can go narrower, you can go wider. Either way, it's not right or wrong. It's just about finding positions that are more challenging for you and uncovering those weak angles that you and your body need to strengthen. You can experiment with the position your hands are in. You can go overhand grip when you're like this. You can go underhand grip. And you can go neutral grip. You will find that your body has an easier time at one or the other. So take your time to explore and find the one that's more challenging for you and more productive for you. So that is the lower trap pipe raise. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please remember to subscribe, share this video with somebody you know needs this information, and be sure to check the description box for more helpful links to help you with your shoulders. As always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't. Ooh. How do you stop this thing? I can't stop swinging. Oh my God. Somebody help me.